Hey YouTube, welcome back to Rhino for Noobs. Today we're going to be learning the Loft command, as you see over here. So let's say you have a couple of lines, hit enter, and we're just going to fix these up to make them look a little bit better. I'm a little picky. So let's say you have a couple of these lines, and you just want to copy these over and really make a crazy shape here. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go into perspective view. Roughly guesstimate these. Let's see here. Okay, so say you have a crazy shape that you want to make and you want to make it by connecting lines. Well, this is a great tool for doing that. Let's see here. You just type in Loft, hit enter, and you're just going to select them. And it's important to make sure you select them in the order that you want them to connect in, because it will get messed up if you don't do that. Hit OK, and there you go. If you don't like the way that it came out, you can delete your polysurface and the lines are still there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the top view, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure all of these are lined up with this. There we go. Now let's try it like that. See if that makes this line look any better. It should, but we'll see. Here, type in Loft, enter. 2, 3, 4, 5, enter. Okay, and there you go. It's much more smooth. It's much smoother. And yep, that is the Loft command.